Nested grouping in Pandas. Problem. Consider the following data frame. Using the code from this answer. I get 3 different groups, depicted in the image below, following these conditions. Group A, for each id, all false rows until the first true row of that id. Group B, all true rows. Group C, for each id, all false rows after the last true row of that id. What I want to group A, B, C by category in order to obtain 6 groups in total, right side of image. Edit. I solved this with a double for loop, looping over d_groups and grouping the inner groups. Is there a more efficient solution?
I think you just need to groupie the data frame df_stack on S along with category to get the desired result. So instead of grouping only by S, you should groupie on S along with category column. Result.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.